शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैर्नभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजः संवितरति परमानंद सांद्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिक फलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्री भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बपलाधरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദ തോറു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good evening, everyone. We'll get started with 92. So I'll just give very brief meaning for each of the stanza, but not too detailed. And we'll try to complete this today. Okay, Srividya, can you be a student? Vijay, can you be a student?
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
I can hear.
All right. Let's start with stanza 1. So first stanza read panita, say the meaning, then we'll split it into 2 lines. Vedhai sarvani karmani afalaparataya varnitani bhudva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha ma bhut vedhai nishidhe kuhajidapi manah karma vacham pravritir durvarjam chedavaptam tadapi khalu bhavatyarpaye chitprakashe. So this chapter is little bit of bhakti yoga, right? Combined with karma yoga, and also some prayers or requests that Bhattatripad is doing. So in this stanza, what he's saying is there are a lot of rituals which are outlined in the Vedas, and the rituals, when you perform them, you get some transient benefits, right? Short-term, long-term benefits, which is all outlined. But the original intention of these things are not to attain those benefits. It is to go beyond that, right? In the benefit, short-term benefits will come, but the real goal is to go beyond that. So what Bhattacharya is saying here is he's requesting that when I perform all these rituals, I want to completely surrender it to you, because if I don't, then I will get the temporary benefits of these rituals, which means that I'm again bound by karma, right? So he wants to saying, I don't want those temporary benefits. So I want to completely dedicate all the rituals I'm performing to you, so I don't get those benefits. That's number one. Number two, in the Veda rituals, they have also said a lot of things which you should not do. So he says, even by mana, karma, vacham, by thought, mind, or speech, even if I do any of those things which are not prescribed, even that I want to surrender it to you. And if I cannot do things which are supposed to be done, even that I surrender to you. So essentially, what he's saying is, all these things I just want to surrender it to you, because that way I'm not bound by the transient effect of these things. And then I know I'm actually able to go to the next step. So Vedais Sarvani Karmani. So under the Karman Yaphala. So we're going to break it down. So Karmani, and then we'll put a comma. And then that ya, right, that will remove it, and next one starts with a. So aphala parataya. So karmani, comma, aphala parataya varni taniti buddhva, comma, tani tvayarpitanyeva. So that's together. Tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan, comma, gyani naishkarmyamisha. Vedhai sarvani karmani afalaparataya varnitaniti buddhva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha.
Vedai sarvani karmani apalaparataya varnitaniti bhutva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha. Vedai sarvani karmani apalaparataya varnitaniti bhutva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha.
Vedai sarvani karmani apalaparataya varnitaniti bhutva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha. Vedai sarvani karmani apalaparataya varnitaniti bhutva tani tvayarpitanyeva hi samanucharan yani naishkarmyamisha.
Ma bhut vedhair nishidhe, double the nishidhe, kuhachidapi, comma, and you have manaha, put a ich sound there, manah, karma vacham, then you have pravritti, so put a plus there. So pravrittir, so next line Sanskrit you have the duk mela ir, so just say it together. So pravrittir durvarjam cheda vaptam, comma. So 3 ir sounds coming there. Durvarjam chedavaptam, comma. Tadapi khalu bhavatyarpaye chit prakashe. So 1 comma after kuhachidapi, then 1 after chedavaptam. Ma
Rajesh,
bhu.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Ah.
மா பூதே பூதே
இல்ல
அதுக்கப்புறம்
பூதேல.
வதைர்
Oh, ma bhud vedhair nishidhe.
வேதைர் வேதைர் நிஷித். ஓகே,
Nishidhe.
நிஷித்தே. ஓகே,
Okay. Ma bhud vedhair nishidhe kuhachidapi manah karma vacham pravrittir durvarjam chedavaptam tadapi khalu bhavatyarpaye chit prakashe.
मा भूत निश्चिते गुहचितपि मनः कर्म वाचां प्रवृत्ति दुर्वर्जं चेतवाप्तं तदपि खलु भवत्तर्पये चित्प्रकाशे.
Shiviti, and the first, sorry, so the first line la nishidhe and the last dha, the fourth, number 4, nishidhe. Okay.
Oh, 4 are.
Ama, and the sorry, mindina line is the mindina letter is the third.
Okay.
The next one is the fourth. Adukapra the kuhachi dapi. Ku first is ka, kuhachi dapi, da first, third one. Okay.
Okay. Ma bhut vedair nishidhe kuhachidapi manah karma vacham pravartir durvarjam chedavaptam tadapi khalu bhavattarpaye chit prakashe.
Ma bhut vedhair nishadhe kuhajitapi manah karma vacham pravirtir durvarjam chedavaptam tadapi khalu bhavatyarpaye chit prakashe. Ma bhut vedhair nishidhe kuhajitapi manah karma vacham pravirtir durvarjam chedavaptam tadapi khalu bhavatyarpaye chit prakashe.
Stanza 2. Yastvanyah karma yogah thava bhajanamayas tatra chabhishtamurtim hridyam satvaika rupam drishati hridi mridi kvapi va bhavahitva pushpair gandhair nibedhyairapi cha virachitaihi shaktito bhakti putaihi nityam varyam saparyam bhidadadhai vibho tvat prasadam bhajeyam. So here is saying tvat prasadam, so your blessings, right, your grace, let me get your blessings or grace. By in the previous stanza he was talking about all the Veda rituals, right? So it's more like actions, the karma method. So here he's saying now I also want to focus on the tantric way. So in that he's saying the way the Agama Shastra says you can create or you can imagine the Lord's form by 8 different materials. You can think of it as made of stone, which is what we see in temple. It could be made of wood, it could be made of gold or silver or any other material. நம்ம அந்த பூஜை பண்ணும்போது விநாயகருக்கு வந்து we put turmeric, right, and the அரிசி வச்சு we make it. So that all the 8 different ways in which you can imagine any shape of the Lord. So he says, let me also now invoke your sattvic form in different forms through any of these 8 materials, including just imagining your form in my mind. So not just physically making this form, but also imagining your form as well. And the most important thing he's saying is Shaktito, based on my capacity, because each one has different capacities of what they can offer. So based on my capacity, but pure devotion, let me offer pushpai, flowers, gandhair, other fragrances, nivedyair, other nevedyams, right? So let me give me the capacity to offer it, and I'll do it based on my capacity regularly, and by that I want to seek your tvat prasadam bhajeyam. I want to seek your grace as well. So yes tvanyaha is there, put the ish sound, yes tvanyah karma yogaha. So if you have a is there, remove that is, visarga and a comma, karma yogaha, comma, thava bhajanamayas तत्र चाभीष्ट मूर्तिं कॉमा हृद्यां सत्वैक रूपां कॉमा दृशधि हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा. So it's linked with stones, wood, or any other means. यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्वैकरूपां दृशदि हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा.
यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्वैकरूपां दृशदि हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा. यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्वैकरूपां दृशदि हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा.
यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्वैकरूपां दृशति हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा. यस्त्वन्यः कर्मयोगः तव भजनमयस्तत्र चाभीष्टमूर्तिं हृद्यां सत्वैकरूपां दृशति हृदि मृदि क्वापि वा भावयित्वा.
पुष्पैर् गन्धैर् निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैः comma after that विरचितैः शक्तितो भक्ति पूतैहि. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Bhakti पूतैहि. Next line on top of that ni, if you have a ir, you can remove it. So nityam varyam saparyam vidadhadai. So the third the, fourth dha, then da again. Vidadhadai vibho, comma. Tvat prasadam bhajeyam. पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैः शक्तितो भक्तिपूतैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां विदधै विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्.
पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैर्शक्तितो भक्तिभूतैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां विदधै विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्.
So Shiviti, on the third line la, and the virachitair irundadunaka, just remove that ir and put a visarga and a comma there. We paused at that. Virachitaihi.
पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैः शक्तितो भक्तिभूतैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्.
Three thus coming there. Third, fourth, third.
3, 4 and 3 correct?
Correct, yeah.
அது வாயில தான் வர மாட்டேங்கிறது அது.
पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैः शक्तितो भक्तिपूतैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां विदधै विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्. पुष्पैर्गन्धैर्निवेद्यैरपि च विरचितैः शक्तितो भक्तिपूतैः नित्यं वर्यां सपर्यां विदधै विभो त्वत्प्रसादं भजेयम्.
Answer 3.
இது another easy way இருக்கு. தா 3 தா 4 தா 3 சொல்லிக்கலாம்.
அது வந்து சொல்றதுக்கு easy, but when you're saying it, it gets hard, right? That's the problem. Answer 3. Stri Shudras Tvatkatadishravana Virahitaha Asatam Te Dhayarhaha Tvatpada Sannayatan Dvijakula Janusho Hanta Shochamya Shantan Vrityartam Te Hyajanto Bahukatitamapi Tvamana Karnayanto Dripta Vidya Bijatyai Kimuna Bidadhate Tadrisham Makritamam. So here he starts off by saying, again, remember Bhattacharya wrote this in 1500 something, right? So he's writing at that context. So he says the three women and Shudraha, people of lower caste, so they are not privileged because they are not able to, or they don't have convenient access to Tvat Katadi, your stories, to hear your stories constantly. So because they are not able to get that access, right? So he says, I'm really sympathizing with them that they are not getting those opportunity. But he says at the same time, the Dvija Kula Janusho, like we said before, people who are twice born, which are Brahmins or the upper caste people, he says, those people, even though they are having the opportunity, what they also do is they are also getting drawn to other things, right? Other materialistic aspects, because of which they are wasting this opportunity that has been given to them. That is one thing he's talking. The second thing he's talking is, although a lot of the people who are given this privilege, right, maybe the upper caste or the priests or everybody who's doing these yajnas and all of those things, they also, because of being born there and because of the learnings they have, they get very arrogant. And because of this arrogance, they are not able to perform all the right things. So he's requesting Krishna that please make sure that, because Bhattacharya is also a Brahmin and he's also able to learn all this, so he says, make sure that I don't get arrogant or I don't get distracted by those other things like those other people are happening. Can you hear me or did I freeze over the sound?